Welcome to this Google Ads tutorial. Today, we're diving into the crucial differences between audience targeting and observation strategies. 1. Targeting zooms in on specific audience segments. If you sell baby products, targeting new parents means only those identified as such by Google will see your ads. 2. Higher relevance and cost efficiency. Your ads directly reach potential customers, boosting campaign effectiveness and optimizing ad spend. 3. Observation, on the other hand, broadens your insight. It doesn't limit ad exposure, but monitors interactions across various segments. 4. The benefits include comprehensive data and flexibility. You gain valuable insights while keeping your ads visible to everyone. 5. Use targeting for a sharp focus. Think age, life events, and purchase intent to find the right people. 6. Apply observation to understand broader behaviors and test new markets without changing your primary focus. Deciding between targeting and observation shapes your campaign's success. By mastering these strategies, you ensure your ads connect with the right audience, maximizing impact and ROI. So, refine your approach and watch your digital ads thrive.